The quality of any product can vary depending on the brand and product category. However, each and every product I bring to you has implemented measures to ensure the quality of the product. I make sure that each and every product that I recommend to you has the following qualities. The best customer evaluations. You may judge the caliber of the goods by reading the reviews and ratings that I and other buyers have given for it. The best product authenticity. I make sure the item I'm bringing you is genuine by using special codes that may be used to confirm it. The best product safety. Everyone seek for the safest products, those that adhere to safety norms and requirements. The best return and refund policy. Every product has a strong return and refund policy which can provide you peace of mind while making a purchase. The best warranties for goods. Every product has a manufacturer warranty which can give you additional security and assurance. It is now up to you to confidently obtain it. You don't have an explanation for why I didn't tell you, sweetheart. Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Portable, large 6.5 heating coil, temperature from 100 Fahrenheit to 500 Fahrenheit, 3 wattage settings 600, 900, and 1300W. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. No need to start over. Flex's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. 45 pre-programmed temps. Select from the 6 convenient preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own temperature from 100 EGF to 500 EGF in 10 EGF increments. You can also add or deduct cooking time at any time. Precise temperature control. With 45 precise temperatures at your fingertips, you can keep delicate sauces warm at 100 EGF to grilling a juicy steak with serious grill marks at 500 EGF. Shatter-proof ceramic glass. The heating surface is heavy-duty shatter-proof ceramic glass. It was rigorously tested to withstand intense heat without shattering. It is one of the safest cooktops on the market. Superior technology. The slim design of Flex and its patented insulation technology brings the induction heating coils closer to your cookware than the competition for faster and even heating, ensuring no hot or cold spots for optimal cooking experience. Safety built in. Even if you forget, Flex will shut off automatically when the set cook time is completed. When the cookware is removed from the cooktop, Flex will not start. There are no hot coils or open flames, reducing the risk of burns and fire. Perfect for dorms and RVs. Flex is lightweight and portable. It performs flawlessly in RVs, dorms, campsites, and smaller apartments. Its 3 wattage settings of 600, 900, and 1300 watts are designed to work well anywhere, even when the power is limited. Melt chocolate. Mastery of the double boiler is not necessary. Simply set the Flex at 120 EGF, add chocolate and stir. It will never burn. Even preparing the most delicate sauces like hollandaise, beurre blanc, and beurre fondue are no longer daunting. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. I hope you learned something today, or at least you got entertained. I believe there's always something new to learn and discover, so keep exploring and experimenting. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.